everyone. So my name is Mohit Singh and today we are conducting Astro Pathshala session. The theme of our session is rover designing and understanding the basics of electronics like simple circuits. So in which we are going to learn about series and parallel combinations of different components. For examples, here we have two LEDs. So these are one of the components of electric circuit. So when we are trying to learn how to add these two bulbs in parallel or series. So it's very simple. Initially what we do, so these LEDs are already connected in series one by one. So we have to connect in a single row. Now we have to make connections. So LEDs are connected. We have to keep in mind that the larger leg represent the positive terminal of this and smaller leg represent the negative. So here we place like this. So any two holes we can insert these LEDs. Similarly the positive end, if we are keeping the positive end right side, here we also put the terminals to the same side. So positive legs are towards right side. Now making connection is very easy. We have to choose a vertical line and we have to put one terminal here. Similarly another terminal we are going to put in this one. So if we have to glow two bulbs simultaneously in series, so series we have to connect like this. Positive is connected to negative. Similarly here positive is connected to positive and terminal, negative connected to negative. Finally we have to use a battery pack. So here we have battery pack of 3 cells. Here red coating represent the positive terminal. So positive terminal we are going to connect with the positive like this, and negative can you show please? So negative we are going to connect with the negative. So here we can see two bulbs are glowing because they are in series. So series is like this. If you remove any one of the cell, both will be, the circuit will break because each bulb is acting as a switch, so on off switch. So that's why in domestic circuit we never use these series connection. So similar fashion we can connect them in parallel also. So for parallel what we have to do, it's very simple. We are going to connect the positive terminal of this electric bulb with the positive one like this, and negative terminal we are going to connect with the negative end like this. So positive is connected to the positive and similarly this negative part is going to connect with the negative. Now we have to just give the connections only. So we are going to use only single cell. So if we have to, you want to give the connections, so positive and one negative. You can connect either of terminal with the cell, either this one or this one. So similarly if we are going to connect these terminals with the cell, so automatically this will glow like this. So this is parallel connection. So what is the specialty of this connection? Even if you remove one of the bulbs, so other will work. So thank you very much.
Thank you.